Hi, this is Chris and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about providing housing for a disabled child. Parents and legal guardians wanting to provide housing for their handicapped or disabled child are allowed to under our primary residence loan. So if the child is unable to work and does not have sufficient income to qualify, you as the parent or legal guardian would be considered the owner-occupant and get all the terms like for the rate and down payment that owner-occupied properties get. The parents must provide a letter of explanation outlining the intent to purchase the home for their child, and also the adult child will have to occupy the subject property as his or her primary residence. You as the parent can also own your own primary residence, and there's no distance requirements between where the properties are, which is also great. The property must be registered and underwritten as a primary residence of the parent, but again, the adult child will live there, and you can also have your own primary residence. So the title would be in your name, the parent, and the adult child can also be on title. The adult child can also be on the loan if you want, but it's not a requirement. So if you have any questions on this program and how you can utilize it with a low down payment to help your adult child get into a property, please feel free to reach out to me, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.